Hi.
Hi.
And this is episode 10.
Yeah, 10.
Episode 10. Sky, put 10 fingers up. 10.
Well, isn't this just a nice moment in time?
Of Reading Robinson's Present the Book Report.
Yeah.
As usual, I'm Daddy, and this is...
Skylar.
This is Skylar, yes. And once again, Reading Robinson Present the Book Report is an extenuation of our YouTube channel, Reading Robinsons, where we read books from
Chicka
Reading
Chicka
Robinson.
Boom Boom.
Yes, we want to talk about that.
Chicka Chicka Boom.
Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.
Yeah, Chicka Chicka
And
Boom
on
Boom.
the book report, we talk about our favorite books. Well, their favorite books. Oh, and it's this book. It's so nice. We had to do it twice. So, Sky, what book are we talking about today? What book is this?
Chicka Boom Boom.
Chicka Chicka Boom.
Da.
Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Now, Sky, tell me, what came first, the Chicka Chicka or the Boom Boom?
Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.
Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. And tell me, what do you like best about Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? Do you like the letters?
Yeah.
Do you like the coconut tree?
Yeah.
Do you like the pictures?
Yeah.
Did you learn your ABC by reading Chicka Chicka Boom Boom?
Yes.
How many times did Mommy and Daddy read Chicka Chicka Boom Boom to you?
A lot. A whole lot.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh, it whipped.
Did it rip? Because y'all read this book so much
Yeah.
that it ripped on us. And shout out to
Yeah,
my very, very good friends. Mr. Clark, shout out to you because we had to get this book again. You actually got us the hardcover book of Chicka Chicka Boom Boom for Layla. And we read that joint so much, that thing fell apart. And the other one that we got, this one's falling apart too. But I guess that's a good problem to have, right?
Yeah.
All right. So, Sky, anything you want to talk about to the people?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to the people?
Gabby.
Gabby, that's your sister.
Mm-hmm.
You have any closing remarks for the people?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to them?
I like reading. I say that too. I like that you read.
Yes, and I'm going to read bedtime stories over and over and over and over again. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So you want to read this for a bedtime story?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to read Chicka Chicka Boom Boom tonight again. So, once again, I'm Daddy. This is...
Yeah.
And we are Reading Robinsons, and this has been the book report. And shout out to our sponsors, the Father Collection.
Hit a like button.
Doing best dad ever, only better. All right. Sky, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.